I'm going to record this. Yeah, so welcome on session 3, time 12 to 13:30. Today is the 21st of June, 2021, and I'm able to see more than 120, 112 students are with me. It is the last part of the unit 1, where we will going to discuss product innovation, product planning and innovation, and new product idea. So it is very important for each and every technocrat, if he or she want to survive and want big growth in any organization, that engineer must be focused on innovation. Innovation is the step, or can say it is a stair of success once we talk about the technocrat. So let us start the session with the countdown. I think everyone is here now. If I talk about the product innovation, we all are very much familiar with the innovation, and not only familiar, we all wish to do innovation, because innovation is called, once is an invention and innovation. So invention means once you design a product and give a prototype or model of the product. Now come on, the innovation means we have to develop it. We have to change something different, which is accepted by our consumer. Because as we know, every product is called product which is approved by the consumer. Whatsoever we will design as an engineer, but it must be approved by the consumer. And how consumer approve it? He is happily use it. Happily use it, and he will give you a repeat order. If you people are ready with your pen and your notebook, it will be good for you. You can note down some of the golden words which I am delivering, which never be repeated. So here, development of new product, you can see in the slide of the red mark, and changes in design of established product. So can we take any example of the established product? As you are a computer engineer, you need to develop the software in an app. You need to develop some part in the mobile, software of the mobile. There is a new features always and every month. On an average, every month, new features are you can able to see, and consumer are happy to use it. They are happy to pay for it. So here we talk about product innovation, where we can use design the established changes in the established product. So how many of you feel about the Dilip Chhabadiya car? Would you want to take it? So some of the students raise the hand. Can again, I will make them panelists. Again, raise your hand so we can talk to each other. Yeah, Dilip Chhabadiya. How many knows? Yes, how many knows Dilip Chhabadiya? Yeah, one attendee. Yes, Amit Kumar. Good. Welcome, Amit. Wonderful. So Amit, join again in a panelist. Come, you are most welcome. Any other want to be a panelist? Be a leader of the company, CEO of the company. Yes, Raghav. Wow, Raghupati Raghav. Wonderful, Raghav. Come. Welcome, Raghav. मुस्कान सिंह बोलना भी है पैनलिस्ट में आके ना. गुड. कम वेलकम. हर्षवर्धन, बोलोगे इस बार हर्ष? यस, ग्रैंड वेलकम. We have a 8 panelists. Good one. मेरी टीम बढ़ती जा रही है. Great. So here, yeah, Dilip Chhabadiya, what he did, what he is doing? Anyone?
Sir, DC design.
Yeah, DC design. Your name is Dhanesh Raj, huh? DR design. Yeah. So what he did?
To modify cars.
Yes. As per choice of
Customer.
Yeah. He make a customized car, huh? So he's a designer. What he did use the changes in the exist product. The basic of car are same, that 4-wheel, छत पे लगाता है या नीचे रखता है पहियों को? नीचे रखता है सर। थोड़ा सा इंटर्न आपका इनसाइड उसका मोटिवेशन, उसका मॉडिफिकेशन करता है, एंड थोड़ा सा आउटसाइड. What are the choice of the customer? Is it? And we come on the second part of product innovation. Numerous example of product innovation. We can see that, including introducing new product. You can see Tata every year in an IPL matches. You can see the new design of Tata. Huh? Have you observed sometime? Yes, young champions. Have you observed it? So product innovation, always every engineer focus, every engineer. What they focus? They focus to enhance quality and improving its overall performance. As you see the automobile industry, the people always talk about, yes, we want to give a best to our consumer. Always. Mobile industry, you can talk about. Every time we can see the updates in iPhone, Vivo, app, Redmi, many brands are there. Many brands are there. And you can see that. They are happy to do it. Next, product innovation alongside cost cutting, because sometimes we can do the innovation where we can do some cost cutting. There's a neck cut competition. Neck cut competition is where on that moment we need to go for the cost cutting innovation. And next we can see the bold letters, process innovation. What is the process is going on? And here, if the cost is too high, you heard about the Six Sigma, learning management, Six Sigma, Kaizen. There's a terminology. They want to increase the quality of product and reduce the cost of product. And once we talk about the Kaizen method, Kaizen is a Japanese word. We talk about this method told about when and where we can reduce the wastage, which is very important. In any production process, if we make or we make is automation, I think the computer people will be useful for the automation. Industry 4.0, is it? Industry 4.0, once we talk about the customized product for customized production in a mass basis. Customized. So what is this? Customized production. Industrial 4.0. They give the live example to us. Different model cars can be designed and manufactured on the same cost. So economies of scale, there is one terminology. Economies of scale means the product cost should be maintained. It should be maintained. It will give the good services, satisfaction to the consumer, and as well as it is give the economical cost to the manufacturer, so that other competitor cannot be enter in their market. So there is a fight, one go high, second fight, no one enter in your market. No one, no your competitor. So you have to make your own circle of success. Next, the ultimate classification innovation which aim to develop a company production method. So sometimes there will be a little bit change you can go as there, and you can be develop the company production method. Earlier there was a traditional method, and you can add on your values, and that company can start new development method. Is it? So here we come on slide number 33. Yeah. So slide number 33 is told us our next topic, production planning and development strategy. So the previous topic was product innovation, and now we are going to study production planning and development strategy. So Harshvardhan, can you say some bold point about the product innovation. Yeah,
Yes,
sure.
sir.
Yeah.
Generation of new product ideas, screening of
नहीं 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 नहीं
ideas.
नहीं नहीं, ये तो अभी मैं बताऊंगा. पिछला जो था प्रोडक्ट इनोवेशन, पिछली स्लाइड जो 2 स्लाइड गई.
सर जो हमारा प्रोडक्ट है हमें उसमें कुछ ऐसे एनहांसमेंट करना है ताकि जो हमारा कस्टमर है उसके लिए उस चीज को यूज करना ईज हो जाए, ताकि वो हम
यस
एक अच्छा कस्टमर बेस बना सकें और
यस,
हमारा प्रोडक्ट ज्यादा से ज्यादा रीच हो.
so we can make it user friendly. All right.
यस सर.
So others panel member, give your attention. Khushi is here, Muskan. Yes. Yes, panelist. Anyone? Add-on value with the Harshvardhan. Add your views.
सर प्रोडक्ट की क्वालिटी पे फोकस करते हैं सर, और सर उसके साथ साथ कॉस्ट कटिंग पे भी.
Very nice. Cost cutting and quality. Balance maintain करके चलना है. Is it? Always remember, once you sit in the board meeting, so board meeting, the finance manager will sit together, sales manager sit together, and they're always talking about only and only cost cutting, cost cutting, cost cutting. And as an engineer, you can say, yes, we will going for the cost cutting and as well as maintain the quality of product also. Is that right? Because if you know that how you can improve the quality, but you don't know how you can cross the cut, cost cutting is very important factor, because you need to fight with the competitor. Once you are talking about the global industrialization, you fight with the global. In India, if you want to serve your product in India only, then you have a competition from India only. But once you start to export, you have competition. Number 1, Indian exporter. Number 2, your neighbor exporter. And number 3, global exporter. And number 3, the importer countries, manufacturers also. So you have to face competition from 3 phases. 1, your Indian exporter. 2, global exporter to that particular country. And 3, that host country. That's called the imported nation countries, manufacturers. They also supply the goods. So in that moment, you can win once you maintain the cost as well as quality. Yeah, who is coming now? Navdeep. Yes. So here, our next topic is the production planning and development strategy. So कितने फेरे होते हैं भाई शादी में? Anybody knows? Even then you do not have experience, but attend तो किए होंगी. Yeah, guys, come back. Give a smile. Yes.
Sir, 7.
Oh, good. किसकी शादी में देखे थे? Count किए थे? Yes, yes. Count किए थे? पंडित जी sometimes 6:30 पौने 7 पर ही कर देते हैं कि भाई मेरी दक्षिणा दो तब पूरा करेंगे. All right. So come here. Production planning and development strategy, PPD. So here, the 7 main steps in a production planning and development. Number 1, generation of new product ideas. Is it? Earlier we discussed the product idea. There's a various factor to make a new product. Cost, number 1. Customer choice. Whatsoever we design to give the change and preference of the taste. Is it? So first is the generation of new product idea. It's part of the production plan. Second, screening of idea. So screening means all we know is the screening. We have to test. We have to check out the all factors. We have to check out the 360-degree angle, where we can fail, where we can success. What is our strength? What is our weakness? What are the resources we have? Can we beat with the customers or competitors? So many factors are considered once we go for the screening of idea. And always screen your idea as a critic. Don't be screen the idea. This is your idea. It should be accepted by everyone. No. In a board meeting, you must be convinced the board members with your idea. If you are not able to convince them, then don't worry about it. Because the other people will give you some ideas, then add on their ideas in your idea and makes it a wonderful idea. All right. So idea meet with idea, it's give the idea plus. So screening of idea is very important. During the screening of idea, don't be emotional. Note down, dot down this line with you. Once your idea is screened in the boardroom, so many critics will be told about your idea. You must be calm and cool. Don't take it emotion. Don't take it on your heart. Just think about, yes, it can be included, then your product become a number one. So always do the critical screening. Understood my point, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Because sometime हम लोग दिल पर ले जाते हैं, मेरी तो कोई सुनता ही नहीं है, ऐसा होता है?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, अपने पापा से पूछो घर पे, उनकी कोई सुनता है? आप भी नहीं सुनते, मम्मी भी नहीं सुनती, है ना? होता है ना? लेकिन वो फिर भी आइडिया देते रहते हैं, कुछ ना कुछ हमें ज्ञान देते रहते हैं, और कुछ नहीं तो हमारी फीसें दे देते हैं. हाँ, he gives something ना, he contribute. So idea, screening of idea is in a critical manner. Don't take it in your emotions. All right? Yes?
Yes, sir.
I wish to see you on chat box also. Screening of idea. We have to go for the critical screening. Number one, likho jara on chat box. Screening of idea. Likhe, everyone, those able to listen me. On chat box, number 1 point I told you. Number 2 point, don't be emotional. Yeah, only 2 points are sufficient. Number 3, you can accept the ideas of other fellows. These 3 points are very important. Screening of idea. God gave us 2 ears, 1 mouth. We have to listen carefully what others want to say. Sales team, marketing team, they will say on the consumer point, they will say on the customer point of view, they are retailer, wholesaler. And the sales team, they talk about the customer point of view because they have a relation with the customer relationship management. And your finance manager, they talk about the finance. No, it is too much investment in it. We cannot get a return on investment, ROI. Is it? So these are the things we have to keep in mind. Only 13 chat out of 133, man. I'm able to see 13 chat only. And there the students are 134 now. Earlier 30, 133. So एक 3 और जोड़ दो भाई. 135 now. Good one. Great. So last class में आप लोग examination form वगैरह fill कर रहे थे? Yeah. Just note down. Everybody write down in the chat box. Yeah. Now come to the point number 3. Product concept development. Product concept development. It is one of the very important when we talk about the production planning and development strategies. So product concept, as I told about that, conceptual creation of producer. So we have to focus on product concept development. So this concept is working or not working. Just see the history of that product and just see forecast, the future, trend, fashion, so many things which can be ultimate aim of producer. It should be used by the consumer. I'm repeating my word. It should be used by the consumer. And next is the commercial feasibility, which is very important. We will go on the detail also. The consumer commercial feasibility is very important. It should be economical to all. Triple E factor must be in any product. You can note down triple E. Triple E you can note down. It should be a very effective factor. It is a very effective factor. Triple E. Just see 1, 2, 3. Triple E. First E, it should be economical. The best feature of any product. Number 1, it should be economical. Number 2, it should be effective. It should be working for the purpose. It solves your purpose. It should be effective. And number 3, it should be eco-friendly. Not harmful for anyone. Not harmful for nature. Not harmful for human being. Not harmful for yourself. Not harmful for the consumer. So any product got that big success if that product have a feature of triple E, which is very important. I mentioned in a chat box. Welcome, Tanya. Yes, Tanya and Akansh. Muskan Singh. Hi. अभी तो आए थे मुस्कान आप. Promote. Yeah, good. Kanika. Good one. Yes. Very good. Very good. So, number 5, product development is the continued process. Each and every moment we need to develop our product to sustain in a market. And then test marketing. Now come on the 1-to-1 point. First is we discuss generation of new product idea. The first step, generation of product. Here we can see idea may come from internal resources like company's own research and development. Can you see it? Smart boys and girls can take photo of it. Huh? So, and managers, sales force, and other personals, they can give you ideas. If you talk about the external sources like customer, dealer, competitor, consultant, scientist, and one more, your critics. Your critics also give the good idea sometime. Is it? So, Nindak nede rakhiye. There is a one saying, ki Nindak ko hamesha paas rakho apne. So, critics can give you good ideas. Next, screening of idea. As you're able to see in the bold letters, screening of idea in the second paragraph, you able to see here, the would cost the firm terms time, money, and effort. 3 things we have to screen. What is the time we are going to invest? Because there's a time cost. What are the material cost? It's called money cost. And what is your effort, mind, which you use in the subsequent stage of production planning and development. So always screen the ideas. And next is a product concept development. Here, identify physical features, benefit, price of the product. And in this stage, product which target market will be accepted. So product concept development, whatever we will develop the product, whatever it is a physical feature, the most important, the product idea is transformed into product concept. As we talk about always, the engineers, who are the engineers? Who convert the imagination into reality. Got it my point? Who is engineer? Convert the imagination into reality. Can you see it? Who is engineer? Is it true or it's a right or wrong? Yes, panelist. Can I write here engineer is equal to, huh? Is it okay? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Agree?
Yes,
On
sir.
chat box, engineer, who is engineer? Who convert the imagination into reality. Is that? Engineer is useful in each and every field. you talk about the medical line, huh? I think the last month in the corona time, you see the oximeter. Just put up on your finger, you can check your oxygen level. Put up in the finger. Who make the devices? Who? Blacksmith, goldsmith, or engineer? Yeah. So even then that is a medical line. But in medical line, engineers create the helpful instrument, which is helpful for the medical student. Is it? So engineers are marvels. They convert imagination into reality. Very nice. So be active on the chat box. Be active. 141. Thank you. Thank you. Now, it is very important. पैसा भी तो कमाना है ना? Whatsoever we produce, it should be commercialized. Then it's called innovation. Otherwise, it's called invention. Right? Otherwise, it's called invention. Innovation. Difference. So here, at this stage, commercially feasibility is very important. If your proposed product idea, here you can see, proposed product idea have commercially feasible, then its demand and cost of production of the market is very important. So you must be produce the goods with your idea, which cost is economical, effective, and eco-friendly. You're going for that. And then management must also ensure the product concept, compatibility of resource. Now, next point, the management also check. Has an organization have this kind of technologies? Has an organization have a manpower? Has an organization have a financial capacity to execute your idea? So these things should be taken consider. So what I told you in a board meeting, दिल पर नहीं लेना है ना, emotional नहीं होना कि आपका idea नहीं success हुआ, आपका idea accept नहीं हुआ, because so many other features need to be discussed. Is it? Yes or no? So idea आपका कुछ भी हो, don't be emotional. हाँ, दिल पर मत ले यार. Next. So product development is very important part. Here we can go for the technical activities. Engineering department convert the product concept into concert form of product in view the required size, shape, design, weight, color, etc. is the product concept. So product concept, now second stage comes product development. So what I told, product concept is the imagination, and that imagination is converted into reality with the shape of size, shape, design, color, which we can see. Is it? Color. Okay. And then the model or prototype, whatsoever you will make. So in the technical language, you use term prototype. Don't say model or sample. Yes, engineer? Keep in your mind. Don't say कि I will make a sample. No, I will make a prototype. All right. And they said, I will make a model. Okay, model means namuna. In a fun language, like a joker. You are engineer, you talk, I will develop the prototype of the product. And it should be manufactured on the limited scale in initial stage. I talked about the scale of production, and decision also made with the regard to packaging need there, brand name, label, etc. we need in the product. As you saw that if you purchase any product from Amazon, Flipkart, or online, then you see their packaging. They make a very effective packaging, very safe. So that next time you will not fear about to buy any product from the online platform. So here we can see the product development. And now we are talking about the test marketing. So everybody you saw, sometime you are roaming in the shopping malls. Nowadays it is restricted. But if you remember your before COVID days, huh? 1 decade before, can say now 1 year equal to 1 century. कि बहुत पुराने जमाने की बात है जब हम शॉपिंग मॉल में घूमा करते थे, हाँ? So on that moment you saw some of the sample product, some of the boys and girls, they come to you with some questionnaire and they are taking your views about their product, and you give sometimes 50% from core of your heart. If that product is close to your heart, then you give your true feedback to the company. Yes, I want X shape, Y shape, Z shape. And then the company make or change the shape according to the consumer need. So here, test market is a sample of product is tested, well chosen and authentic sales environment. You heard about authentic sales environment. अब मॉल के अंदर जो रिटेल आउटलेट्स हैं, आपने उनमें देखा होगा कुछ सेल्स इंजीनियर भी खड़े होते हैं. Sales boy and sales girls are different. Sales engineer means they are technically very strong about the product, technically. So whatsoever the requirement or education need to the consumer, they able to say in a very smooth and authentic manner. Authentic manner is very important. Means you are expert to design any product. You are an engineer, then you will able to convince and you will able to say with your authenticity. Yes, for example, you saw the many new cars are stand in a mall site. There is a 2, 3, 4 people are there, then some senior person are there, and that senior person are talking about the technical part of engine, body, shape, and any additional features from his or her competitors. Then he is easy to explain, and you can see the spark in their eyes, how authenticity and authentically he explained the all features of that automobile. He said, this is a machine which you enjoy with the race. This is a machine where you feel that Masuri and Shimla is here. So many things in the test market we can do before launch the masses of production. And we must take the view of consumers. It's reaction. Sometimes you give the reaction and then you maybe improve further. Is it? Agree with this slide? Sachin Tendulkar aa gaye bhai hamare paas to. Yes, Sachin, welcome. Hi, kahan gaye? Sachin, you raised your hand, na? Again, Sachin, raise your hand. Yes, Sachin, raise your hand. All right. Yes. So we come on the next slide. After the test market, commercialization, I told you it's a very important. पैसा आएगा तो प्रोडक्ट आगे चलेगा, बिकेगा, प्रमोशन होगा और ultimate goal, company ko profit, then they will give you incentive to develop the new product. Is it? Yeah. So after the management satisfied the need with the result of test marketing, steps are taken, launch the full-fledged program, production, promotion, and marketing of the product. So in a stage, this new product is born and enter in the life cycle process. What is the life cycle process? Every product in first stage, it is introduced, right? Then it get a growth. Once it is introduced, it get a growth. And then third, it comes on the maturity level. And after some time, you can see the decline. This is called the product life cycle process. As you saw from last 10 years, you can see the example of the mobile companies. The different kind of mobiles introduced, sales go high, then comes on the maturity level, then they decline. So it's called the life cycle of product. And it should be commercialized. And now come on the new product ideas. So here, we can see the new product ideas. First, again, these are the 7. Solve an existing problem for the people. Is that? I am taking a 30-second pause because this is a new topic. So in earlier topic, commercialization, test market. Yes, every panel member, just open your videos. Panel member, open your videos. Sachin, come again. Yeah, Dhanesh, good to see you. Others, Raghav. कोई बात नहीं, अगर नया नहीं है, ब्रेकफास्ट तो किया होगा राघव, नो इश्यू. घर पर तो ऐसी अटेंड होती है मीटिंग. यस राघव, एनीवन, ओपन योर वीडियोस. तान्या, अमित, सचिन. या खुशी, गुड. Harshvardhan, good to see you, man. Yes. So just see that we repeat. Before the new product, commercialization is important. Yes. Open the mic also. Just we take the recap. Generation of production planning and development strategies. Yes. First point, Khushi. Unmute yourself.
So generation of new product ideas.
Very nice. And second is?
Speaking of ideas.
Yeah, so we talk about the generation of new product ideas. Just go through it. Ideas come from internal resources. Huh? Internal and external. So we all are able to read it. Internal sources, companies or R&D, companies managers, company salesperson, and we talk about the external resources, customer, dealer, competitor, scientist, consultant, and critics. Yeah. So Harshvardhan, second is?
So screening of ideas.
So what is the bold letters in this?
Would cost the firm time, money, efforts.
TME, huh? Time, money, and effort. Now Aparna. Yes. Yes. पैनल में कितने हैं? धनेश आप बताओ.
So product concept development.
What are the bold letters in it?
Identifying physical features, product ideas transform into a product concept, product which target market will accept.
Very nice. And what is the engineer?
Convert the imagination into reality.
Agree? Yes?
Yes.
Good. Aparna. Muskan. Anyone?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, beta. What is this? What is this?
Sir, commercial feasibility.
Yes,
so
yes.
in this, triple E factor is very effective.
Very nice. Triple E factor. Yeah, good. So what are that triple E? Yes. Triple E.
So it should be economical, effective, and eco-friendly.
Very nice. Very nice. So next is the, yeah, Amit, Tanya, anyone?
Sir, at this stage, our prototype is manufactured on limited scale, and then all our decisions will be based on packaging, brand name, label, etc.
Very nice. Very nice. Good, good, good. And next is test marketing. Yes. Test marketing. Next one, anyone can be. Sachin, अपना बैट घर छोड़ा है क्या? बात करो भाई, BAAT कर लेते. सचिन. सचिन अपनी पैडिंग कर रहा है, ग्लव्स चेक कर रहा है. सचिन, व्हाट आर यू डूइंग मैन? ओके. अमित.
Yes, sir. Sir, basically test marketing covers we receive feedback from users and we will improve the product further.
Very nice, very nice. Test marketing, yeah. And whosoever, Muskan, anyone can be. Yes, Kanika Chaudhary is joining us. Yeah.
So here we do production, promotion and marketing of the product we have developed.
Very nice. PPM, production, promotion and marketing. If we talk, because every product needs a commercialization. And new product ideas, it is a new topic. Right. So now we start. Solve an existing problem for the people. If we talk about the new product idea. So what serves the existing problem by the using of product? If we talk about the washing machine are not giving the alarm into time, or any other example we can take, so that we have to give the solution for their existing problem. Number 2, find out what is the current hot trend, because the choice of customers are very flexible. Ever and ever, every day they need a new things. Choices are different. Tastes are different. If we talk about the fashion industry, they want something new. Every moment they want something new. So we have to need to find out the current trend. Because once we serve to the customer, which is as per the current trend, then customer easily accept our product and buy it. And we talk about the improve a product that is already in the market. We give the update, version 1, version 2, version 3, new edition. You heard these lines. Sometime the automobile company launched the limited edition. Means they launched the special product line, which are very limited. So they gave us a limited edition, the name. So sometime we have to give something different name. I think you know about that one of the Vikrant ship. So Bajaj launched a motorcycle with the name of Vikrant. Can you correct me, anyone? Young champion? Anyone? You can correct me. And talk about the 4th number point, create a new niche for the current product. So new niche market means sometime in the product life cycle that X product have a decline. Their demand is go down in our market. For example, if the talk about the Nokia phone, it is not too much in the Indian market, but it is very much in Bangladesh, Pakistan, because there the economy is very weak. The purchasing power is very weak. So that Nokia product can be easily sold there, which is now in a decline position. So it's called the create a new niche for a current product. जो product है हमारे पास, हमने Nokia के 1 million या 10 million pieces, 1 crore pieces बना लिए. अभी सेल हुए हमारे पिछले 6 महीने 8 महीने में 80 लाख, 20 लाख पीसेस अभी बचे हुए हैं. तो 20 लाख पीसेस को हमने क्या किया, नई मार्केट में लॉन्च कर दिया. सो इट्स कॉल्ड क्रिएट अ न्यू निश फॉर अ करंट प्रोडक्ट. नंबर 5 पॉइंट, एड ऑन टू एन एग्जिस्टिंग प्रोडक्ट. अपने एग्जिस्टिंग प्रोडक्ट में हमने क्या वैल्यू एडिशन ऐड कर दिया। जो एफएमसीजी प्रोडक्ट होते हैं उसमें तो लिख देते हैं 20% एक्स्ट्रा, 30% एक्स्ट्रा। जो एजुकेशनल प्रोडक्ट, टेक्निकल प्रोडक्ट होते हैं उसमें हम कोई ना कोई एडिशनल फीचर दे देते हैं। जैसे नए नए एलईडीज आ जाते हैं, पहले एलसीडी था, फिर फ्लैट टीवी, देन एलसीडी, देन एलईडी, और भी अब कोई नई चीज लॉन्च हुई है। सो द अपने करंट प्रोडक्ट पे हम लोग कुछ ना कुछ एग्जिस्टिंग प्रोडक्ट में वी गिव द सम वैल्यू एडिशन। एंड 6 नंबर, रीइनकार्नेट एन ओल्डर प्रोडक्ट। सो इनकारनेशन आप देखते हैं कि उसको नया रूप दे देना, किसी भी पुराने प्रोडक्ट को नया रूप दे देना, रीइनकार्नेशन। And number 7 for the new product idea, ask your current customers, because your current customers will give you a feedback about the product and what they want in the new product. So you can ask from your current customers. So these are the 7 points which we need for the product idea. If I come from point to point, generating and screening idea for new product. So here we can able to see the new product development NPD. Start with identifying good product idea. Is it? And we can take the following step before allocating fund to new product development. As you are a company CEO, now you are going to fund the new product development. So now what are the things you need to be screened? First, we find out the customer need. What is the important? We find out the customer need and identify the existing weakness. What is the existing weakness in our product? And what we want to make a improvement in product. And what will be cost will comes to the improvement of product. If cost will come to improvement product, then definitely we need the improvement of revenue. Is that clear? If we increase the cost of product for the new development, we need improvement in revenue. Yes or no? Just type it. And we come on 46 number point. 46 number slide. Yes. Yeah. So now 43 number slides is required. So for the getting the new product idea for new product, we make a brainstorm session, talk with the each and every stakeholder. Those can help us to give the advanced feature for our existing product. And second point, you can able to read, study catalogs and product information. Time to time, we can see in the market on website, different catalog of the product which are matched with our product. So we can find out and see their additional features, shape, size, color, and we can find out the what other things we can develop in our product. And next we able to see there's a use our research and development process. So number of time we can make our product is very economical. We use our own existing research and development process and identify the modification. As you see here, the modification in adoption of new product, consistency, and feedback from our market and customers. So here we use the terms, our feedback from market and customer can help us to give an idea for new product. And here the review your quality assurance process, because we are very eager and excited to develop our product, but we cannot ignore the quality of product. So quality assurance process, we have to check the product and identify potential idea, which will not affect our quality, because quality is a very important factor. If even we go to go down to cost cutting, go down the cost our product, but we cannot compromise with the quality of our product. And here, once our customers are doing complaint, then don't feel hesitation to ask them again and again. And don't feel embarrassed. Don't come under depression that your customer is always complaining. Take it as an opportunity because they are giving you a proper feedback. They want that you should be in a market. So identify the common weakness. Number one. And look the area where improvement is most needed. So these 2 points are very important once we are going for the new product. First, what are the common weakness? And second, what are the improvement is most needed? Because also we have to go through the cost factor also. Then we can go for review our research. And in the research, we can find the gap. What are the gap as per the need of consumer and what is existing at present we have. So what are our customers are telling and they are looking for? Because why we are producing our goods? We are producing goods to sell, and sell to whom? To sell to our customer. So what they find the frustration or limiting about our product? Some of the point and how we can make it useful for them. So these are the some point we have to keep in mind once we are going for the new idea of our product. And next is the 46th slide, we can take it. Talk to your supplier and other business partner, because your supplier, those supply your raw material, and other manufacturers, they are manufacturing the same goods. You must have the open mind to talk with your other competitor, stakeholder, so that you can get the good idea to improving your product. Capture the market and improve your product. And next, research and understand your competition, because our competitor are our cooperator. They always give us opportunity to improve. And there's one room is always available that called the room of improvement. This is a saying in the corporate world. There's one room is always available that's called room of improvement. So we can improve ourselves. We can improve our product at any stage. Again, the idea screening. View the list of your potential new product and discard and consider your competition. Our competition is always alert our veins and always maintain to identify the improvement in our product. So these are the things and these some shortcoming from the market where we can consider our competitor can we make a best product from us? If yes, they can be catch the market. If you can make the best, you can serve the best product in the market. Yes, you can make the good thing in the market. So ultimate is we have to identify the improvement. And next is a set of criteria to evaluate your idea against criteria might be this one. So these are the something which can be screen our idea in the critical manner. And here we can read the point technical feasibility, commercial feasibility and technical feasibility. So level of scale and profitability of the idea. If you ultimately finance people and your promoter, they will ask about the profitability. So how would the price, number one, where the market, we can sell it, and what is the cost? We have to choose on the overall and per unit. So ultimate aim to introduce a new product, we have to check out these factors also. These are the commercial factors. And without this, we cannot survive. And where product fits in the market, you can see I'm doing the bold letters and our competitor products. So if our products is not fit in the market, not up to mark of the competitor products, after some time or maybe very short span of time, we can be out from the market. So here we can see the market potential of idea and how our business profile is fit into the market. So ultimately, whenever we talk about, we have to go through this all facts and figure. And here, you must be familiar with terminology. Yes, Amit, Harsh, Dhanesh, are you familiar with this terminology? Yes?
No, sir.
SWOT analysis.
Yes, sir.
Dhanesh, everybody must know this terminology, SWOT analysis. It is useful for your own, because in every CV, in every interview, that interview person, HR people can ask you, just give your SWOT analysis. What is strength in you? Is it? Got it my point? SWOT analysis
Yes,
is
sir.
very important in our life. It's called the
Sir,
mantra of
strength,
success.
weakness.
Yes, yes. Bolo, bolo.
Strength, weakness, opportunity and threats.
Very nice. अब थ्रेड्स में हम लोग क्योंकि प्रोडक्ट इंजीनियर है, हम ट्रेंड्स कर देंगे, है ना? क्या ट्रेंड चल रहा है? Is it? So the SWOT analysis is very important. We can check out the strength and weakness of each idea, and always welcome the critics. They will give you chance to improve yourself, improve your idea, improve your product, which is very important, right? And innovation approach. I told about CID in my first or second session. Creative, innovative, is it? And dedicated. CID. Here. I am writing somewhere. C.I.D. CID. Creative, innovative, and dedicated. So you must develop this seed of CID here. So, and your steps to foster innovation in your team will help you realize your new product goals. So find out about innovation advice, grant and support. So every innovation needs some funding, and you have to find out the entire things after the SWOT analysis. So here we have a 10 to 15 minutes to discuss. Now I'm inviting to every panel member. Before that, we can note down the exercise on given MCQ. Everybody have a multiple choice question? Yes? Already on the Google Classroom, we uploaded, Deepika madam and Vaishali madam uploaded multiple choice questions. Is it? Is it with you? You can download from there. And very important thing is this, on that multiple choice question link, you can find out the other questions of your other subjects. Examveda.com. There is a question, multiple choice answer, find out the answer and their logic. So it is helpful for not only for examination, but also in the company interview, and not only in the company interview, in your life also. So these are the things which is completed in our unit first. You can go through that. So every mentor just open the video. Now you can give me again one sheet. How many of you understood the meaning of one sheet or one page? Is there any difference? Yes. Is there any difference? Yeah. Is there any difference between one sheet or one page? Somebody write in chat box. So class till 1 p.m. only? No, it's till 1. Is it any change? Is there any change? Okay, it's a 12 to 1, it means. One sheet from both sides, wonderfully good sheet. So, okay, if it is changed, then we can wind up the class, because I think the class will be 1:30. No issue. Be happy. Enjoy your happy lunch, everyone. All right. So I think tomorrow we have a class. Yes. Till then, you can submit your assignment. But here mention is at 12 p.m. Just hold on.